Hey everyone, are your videos looking a bit choppy? Don't worry, because today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can convert your choppy 30 FPS videos into silky smooth 60 FPS ones. So let's get started. So firstly let me quickly show you our 30 FPS video which we are dealing with. So to get started, you need to download the app from description. I have already got the app installed, so then open the app and click on image quality. Then select AI repair and click try now. Thereafter, choose the video which you wanna transform into 60 FPS. Then turn on frame interpolation by tapping on it once and click here. Here it will start processing, which will take a while. Let me just skip the process for you guys. Finally, our transformed clip is ready. So to save it, click on the save button on the top right corner. Here you can see our final result, that the video has been converted into 60 FPS. Let me just play it for you guys. You can clearly see that the video is now buttery smooth. So that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.